degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. The first is called the positive degree. The second is known as the comparative degree. And the third degree is the superlative degree of comparison. The comparative and superlative degrees of the positive adjective are formed in different ways. By adding er and est. For example, tall, taller, tallest. By doubling the last consonant and then adding er and est. For example, fat, fatter, fattest. By removing the y and adding ier, iest. For example, dry, drier, driest. Adjectives with more than 2 syllables form the comparative and superlative by adding more and most in front of the positive adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Add more and most to the positive adjective when the 2-syllable adjectives end in full, ful, less, less, ing and ed. For example, useful, more useful, most useful. Certain words do not belong to any category. There are exceptions to every rule. Modern, more modern, most modern. Foolish, more foolish, most foolish. Certain, more certain, most certain. Certain words change totally in the comparative and the superlative. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Ill, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Old, older, oldest. When the people being compared are not related, or when we talk about places or things. Old, elder, eldest. When the people being compared are related. Far, farther, farthest. When we are talking about distances. Note, use further, furthest when we are talking about additions not connected with distance. Degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Tall, taller, tallest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Young, younger, youngest, great, greater, greatest, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest, large, larger, largest, able, abler, ablest, wise, wiser, wisest, noble, nobler, noblest, noblest. Please note the change. The superlative degree noblest will come. Noblest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Easy, easier, easiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Red, redder, reddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Big, bigger, biggest. Qualified, more qualified, most qualified. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Ordinary, more ordinary, most ordinary. Cautious, more cautious, most cautious. Learned, more learned, most learned. Proper, more proper, most proper. Prompt, more prompt, most prompt. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Ill, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. When we talk about quantity. Late, later, latest. Late, latter, last. Many, more, most. When you talk about number. Far, farther, farthest. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. For, farmer, foremost. For, farmer, first. In, inner, inmost. In, inner, innermost. Out, outer, utmost. Out, utter, uttermost. Up, upper, uppermost.